Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful photo stand DIY which I have made, and this is no glue DIY. See, this is so cute and you can insert in the pic and you can keep changing the pic, and it is so simple to make. So let's start with this beautiful DIY photo stand. So here it is. See how beautiful this photo stand looks. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notification of my new uploads. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.